What's unique about this tiny house? It's in the middle of Eindhoven, one of the largest cities in the Netherlands.
Yep, we're back in Eindhoven, and for a very good reason. Y'all have sent numerous recommendations for some food here that's going to apparently knock our socks off. Plus, we're going to be catching up on a few things that y'all told us we should have done during our last trip here.
Let's eat. Goedemorgen and welcome back. If you're a regular BUNCHARTED viewer, then this place probably looks pretty familiar to you. We are at worstenbroodjes, which is a highly rated spot for some of our favorite Dutch food, worstenbroodjes. We picked up 4 of them because we're actually really hungry, but we can't eat that much right now because we've got a lot of food to eat today. First up is the traditional, look at this beauty. It's shiny on the outside, and I can already tell that just below the bread crust, it's like soft and squishy. Let's break it open.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Is this good, you remember?
Mm-hmm. It might be better.
They also had something new on their menu called a worsten bagel. Actually, I'm not sure this is technically a bagel. I think it's just a worstenbroodje that they rolled into a circle and put some sesame seeds on it.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm. It's really good, but it tastes exactly like a worstenbroodje. Like, what is this for?
Here's a question.
Mm-hmm.
Would it go well with some cream cheese?
Probably.
Okay, then I'd say it might be a bagel.
Actually, come to think of it, I really don't think we're eating that much today compared to a normal day, so maybe we should have gotten 1 or 4 more.
So, like we alluded to at the start of the video, this is our second time visiting Eindhoven. In our first video, we visited Glow, a light show held here in Eindhoven in November. We explored Strijp-S, a beautifully renovated old industrial park, and we tried worstenbroodjes for the first time. Well, in the comments, y'all let us know that we missed 2 important things, so we're gonna go check those out before we finish up with our little food tour.
I think we found it.
This is the Sillywax Tunnel, which is a celebration of John Cleese right under Eindhoven Central. Well, like, sort of under Eindhoven Central.
I think it's pretty under it.
Yeah.
And we were gonna look for his autograph, but it's right here.
We found it.
We found it.
And to be totally honest, we're not super familiar with Monty Python, but I believe this is set to resemble a skit about Sillywax. Yeah.
You're doing great.
Thanks.
You're doing great.
You know,
Oh, I couldn't do this one.
it's kind of like yoga.
Are we gonna do this
Oh my gosh,
bridge?
it goes the whole way. Since we moved to the Netherlands nearly 2 years ago, we've been comfortably sleeping on a mattress and topper from Emma Sleep. But recently, we decided that we wanted to get even better sleep, so we upgraded to the Emma Hybrid 2 adjustable mattress. It's perfect for couples because the top foam layer on each side is completely adjustable. So even though I'm a side sleeper and Alex sleeps on his stomach, we can both have ultimate comfort while sleeping in the same bed.
And if you're wondering what it's like to order a mattress over the internet, there's a mattress in here? It was delivered right to our door and was super easy to set up. Plus, each mattress comes with a 100-night trial, and there's free shipping and returns.
For a limited time, Emma Sleep is running a sale on the Emma Hybrid 2 adjustable mattress and the Diamond mattress topper. And Emma Sleep is offering y'all an additional 10% off the already discounted price with code BUNCHARTED. So click on the link in the description box or use code BUNCHARTED when checking out for an additional 10% off your new mattress.
Thanks again to Emma Sleep for supporting our channel and sponsoring this video.
And this is the DAF Museum. So I didn't know about this place until y'all recommended it to us, but evidently Philips isn't the only company that has strong roots here in Eindhoven. DAF has been here since 1928, and I think this museum is housed in one of their old factories. You ready to go see some trucks? Honk honk, honk honk.
That should be me. I'm the one who should be doing the honk honk.
Anyone can do it.
Anyone. Now that Michelle said it out loud, I think it might be DAF Museum.
This is what I came here to see. All the big trucks.
A big truck?
Big trucks.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Oh my God, there's a simulator.
Oh, someone's using it already.
Keep your eye out. I want to drive a truck.
This is so cool because you can just walk in all these old buses. Like even at the Spoorweg Museum, you were only able to walk into a few of the old trains, but these...
You can go in almost all of them.
Yeah, and they still smell like a bus would.
Yeah, I mean, when we walked in the museum smells like a garage.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, they're not like making them exhibits necessarily. They're just kind of just pulling these things in, and it feels very
Feels very
much like they were
authentic.
taken right off the road. Yeah, I wasn't too hot on this museum, to be completely honest, but it's actually pretty cool.
I know, yeah.
Whoever
Well,
recommended this, maybe you know us better than we know ourselves.
babe, babe.
All right, here we go.
Oh my God, I'm already stuck in traffic.
Watch for cyclists.
Where am I going? What's my mission? Oh, I see. Oh, jeez. Ah! Oh, jeez. Nope, sorry.
You're not supposed to get off here.
I'm not? Oh, I'm not. It said I was.
Oh my God. This is literally why Michelle never drives us anywhere.
I flipped the whole truck.
Wait, were you actually trying, or were you just
it
hamming
was...
it up for the video?
No, I was trying. It's really sensitive. Speaking of old factories, it's time to stop for a beer check. We are at Cafe 100 Watt, which is a brewery here in Eindhoven that has a creative and extensive selection of beers, including some no alcohol options for Alex.
And they had this Van de Streek bumper non-alcoholic blonde beer, which is something I've never seen before. I think it's new, and hopefully it's good. It tastes like a blonde. I don't know what Van de Streek is doing, but man, they're just like nailing every single non-alcoholic beer that they make.
I got something called Svinkels, which is a Pilsner. It smells very light. Oh, it is very light, but it's got like a nice crispy edge to it. You know what I mean?
Like a pizza?
This is just like a very light and refreshing beer. It's perfect for a day when the sun's out, which we have been blessed with today.
Honk honk.
Honk honk.
They had cherry Coke snack ribs, and the sauce also included one of the beers that they have here on tap. Unfortunately, they don't have those until 5 o'clock, so we were not able to get them. However, we were able to get beer bitterballen, which is made with one of their beers. I believe Michelle's looking that up right now.
No.
Oh, never mind. She's on TikTok.
Yeah, I am.
Incredible. Look at that. It's speckled. I cannot wait to scald the entire inside of my mouth, so I can't taste any of the Mexican food that we're about to eat after this.
No.
Here we go. Oh, that's so hot. It definitely has a beer flavor.
Okay.
I think that is what sets it apart from the other beef bitterball they have on the menu.
Yeah, the beer has 3 notes. Can you guess it from the bitterball?
Hong Kong.
Honk honk.
You've like not reacted to any of my jokes today.
We're going for my boob. So there were 2 reasons why we decided to return to Eindhoven, and they're both food related. And the first one is this place, Nico's Mexican Food, which we've heard has some pretty damn good Mexican food here in the Netherlands. Y'all know that we love Mexican food, and so far our experiences here in the Netherlands have been so-so, but we're hopeful that that's all about to change.
The menu looks pretty authentic. It's a pretty varied selection of different things that you would expect to find at a Mexican restaurant, and everything from tacos to burritos to quesadillas to whatever a chimichanga is. They have tres leches cake.
Really?
Yeah, you can get your wet cake.
I love wet cake.
Ooh, American meat plate. That was my nickname in college. Oh my gosh, the carnitas tacos have arrived. Look at that fresh pico. You got some guac, the pork. Oh my, that pico looks incredible. First thing, gotta get some of this hot sauce in these tacos. Oh, I forgot to mention their corn tortillas.
Oh.
Here we go. That pico is really, really good. Very fresh tasting. It's got pretty good guac on it too. I mean, they're pretty good tacos. Not as good as Alfredo's in Rotterdam.
Okay, I was about to ask.
But they're good tacos.
My food is here. I got the California burrito, and this puppy is hot. Oh my gosh.
This is the burritos that we make at home.
Yes. So a California burrito is your typical burrito ingredients plus fries. I can't do it. Hang on. It needs a minute. It's really hot. It's really good. The flour tortilla tastes super homemade, and the beef inside is really nice and tender and like salty and goes really well with the cool, fresh pico. And of course, the crunch of the fries. Oh my gosh, they're like shoestring fries. Look at this. Look how thin they are.
So Michelle has no idea where we're staying tonight. The only thing she knows is that we're staying in Strijp-S.
And if you watched our last Eindhoven vlog, you'll know that this area is known for these old warehouses and renovated factories. So I'm gonna guess we're staying in one of them?
Why are you laughing?
Oh, wow. Dude, there's a tiny house here. Is this where we're staying? All right, so we actually can't find the keys or the lockbox to the tiny home, so we'll give you a full tour of the home in the morning, assuming we can actually get in. But first, we're gonna get some ice cream. This is Intelligentsia Ice by Jeffrey, an ice cream shop here in Strijp-S that seems to take pride in making some adventurous ice cream flavors. And we love an adventure. I got the FRISTI ice cream, which I'm very excited that they had. And I mean, first impressions, it really looks a lot like strawberry ice cream, which, you know, ooh, it smells like FRISTI, like candied, milky strawberries. All right. It's really sugary, but really tart. You know, when you take a bite of something and it kind of like gets you right here, that's what's happening with this. And I don't know if it's like the tartness from like the dairy, but this is excellent. For those of you that don't know what FRISTI is, which is probably a good bit of you, it's a very popular soft drink here in the Netherlands. Michelle's shaking her head. Well, a soft drink, wouldn't that imply it's like carbonated? FRISTI is a popular drink that's available here in the Netherlands. I think it's mostly consumed by children, but when we tried it in one of our grocery store snack videos, there were also a lot of very passionate adults who stepped in and said how much they love FRISTI. It's strawberry flavored. I think it's like a yogurt drink. Oh yeah. It packs a punch, doesn't it? Very sweet. It's got like actual ribbons of strawberry in here. So I think it's a little bit more than just FRISTI. But yeah, strong yogurt flavor and very tart, which, you know, makes sense because it's a yogurt drink. Oh, now it's chocolate milk. I know, I was about to say that. Mm-hmm. And bitterballen. Ew. I don't know about that. Hong Kong. Okay, so I think that's going to be a wrap on day one of our vlog here in Eindhoven. I just received word from the Airbnb host that we're stupid and it was just the wrong side of the house that we assumed was the front of the house. So I think everything's going to be taken care of and we have a place to stay tonight. So we're going to go chill there and see what it's all about, and we'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning. Good morning. How'd you sleep? I honestly slept pretty well, probably until about this morning when the garbage trucks came. But I think that's what you get when you stay in the middle of Strijp-S. I still can't believe there's a tiny home here. It blows my mind. Yeah, speaking of, I had to fish out the wide angle lens add-on thing for this camera. This is the first time I've ever had to use this because this home is real tiny. It is much tinier than the tiny home that we stayed in Giethoorn. I can't tell a difference. Apparently, this is the first tiny home in the Netherlands, which is pretty cool. Feel free to fact check that. That's just in the Airbnb listing. Let us know if that's true. If you've seen a tiny home in the Netherlands before this one, let us know. Anyway, this is the seating area. I think you could fit 4 people in here. However, the listing does say it's a maximum of 3 people. So you could fit 3 people quite comfortably in this area. If we move through here, you've got a really big kitchen setup with, y'all know we love a good coffee maker. You've got tons of countertop space, a refrigerator, and a stovetop. So you could actually cook here if you wanted to. And then you've got a nice table over here to eat whatever you cook or, you know, whatever you might bring back. Also, apparently, this tiny home was featured in a TV show called Papadag, and they've actually given us some inspiration here for what you're supposed to do in this tiny home. Yeah, good inspiration, I'd say. And last but not least on this floor is the bathroom. On this floor? On this floor. There's an upstairs too. On the ground floor. On the ground floor. I mean, it's a pretty big bathroom. It's got a decent sized shower and it has like a real flushing toilet, not like one of those like compostable or like marine toilets. So it's nice. If we go to Michelle's nightmare, the next floor. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the ladder is a little tricky. You just gotta like plop yourself up here at a certain point. Welcome to the bedroom. It's pretty cozy up here with the like slanted ceiling. However, the mattress is really nice, the bedding's great, and you get a ton of airflow and light because there are 2 windows up here. We'll put a link to this place in the description. All right, it's time to finish getting ready because we've got to head out to our final stop and we're very, very excited about it.
Okay, so this isn't actually our final stop today. It's just the first day of new herring season. Halonset new herring season to be precise. So we had to stop and get it. All right, here we go. First herring of the year. It's like next level.
Really?
It's so buttery. Like it's a little bit of that briny, salty flavor, but oh my God. Yeah, look how thick it is. Oh my God. Woo! This is a killer breakfast. I'm gonna do this every morning.
This is Sweet Dreams Bakery, and we're here for one thing: cinnamon rolls. So apparently this place has a pretty extensive brunch menu on the weekends. We're here during the week, but that's okay because, again, we're here for the cinnamon rolls. It looks beautiful. The rolls themselves are actually like very symmetrical. I can't see myself. I'm sorry. It looks really weird that you're like, eh.
They've got like a strong Pillsbury cinnamon roll vibe, which is a very popular at-home, quick Sunday morning brunch family cinnamon roll situation in the US.
They are more beautiful than those.
Oh, absolutely.
But it is giving me that vibe. But the smell is definitely bringing me back to my childhood in the mall. There's a place called Cinnabon in the United States and other places too.
I think that's everywhere, yeah.
Yeah.
Not here, but you know.
That smell, it's like childhood.
It's moist. It's really cinnamony. There's a little bit of chocolate in this too, for sure. There's delicious frosting on it. It is very, very good. This is the best cinnamon roll I've had in the Netherlands, without question. Also, you may notice there's one in a to-go box on the table because there's someone else in our family that really loves cinnamon rolls.
It's Sashimi the cat.
Well, that's a wrap on our second video here in Eindhoven. Where would y'all like to see us go back to next? What other cities have we already visited but only scratched the surface of? Let us know in the comments. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see y'all next week.
So done.
Well, try again.
So done.